Hello students, welcome back to the online class again. Now this is the second part, that is second video session class of chapter number 2. Now in the previous class, we have already completed chapter number 2, working of a computer. Now in this video session, now let's see some exercises related to chapter number 2, that is working of a computer. Now some exercises is given here. Now guess the name of the machine and complete the table. ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯦꯕꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯏꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ. These are all blanks. I have already filled up these things. Okay. Now childrens, we have already completed chapter number 2. Okay, chapter number 2 je hana loigrabani already. Okay. That is chapter name of the chapter was working of a computer. See, okay, already amangi previous class loigre. Now see the video session, that is second part of chapter number 2 video session class leader. Some exercises related to chapter number 2. Akoina loi haba chapter number 2 digi some exercises tausi akoina tawgibadu khangbra khangdabra yengnabai damakta haidi input process output have to kari no have ne akoina tawriji working of a computer da computer zu input process output da loina thabak tawi happy as other machines atopa machine laiba singji ga chamanana. Okay. Now let's see the exercises. The number 1 is given here is water. The input given here is water, and the output given here is ice. Koine ising pirakanda ice on the say karamba machine diage. In this machine, when we give water as an input, it gives a ice as an output. Now we all know that we use a refrigerator for that. Koine isingdagi ice olhange hagadi ulhange hagadi kadawi koi refrigerator da happy. So name of the machine is refrigerator. So it is given here as we should fill up this as refrigerator. Now this thing I've already filled up. I handle mention be one CJ exercise was mention like a machine TD. Okay. Now water, when we give water as input, it gives a hot water as output. Now in which machine does the input give as water? It gives as hot water geyser. When a geyser the input ta kari ising ing mahap khagani aduga when a ising do sahalaga hot water when a thogi isida. Okay. See geyser na trasu yai akoina some electric kettle da so ising ing mahapsalani may hapsalakanda akoina ising sawalaga hot water oil. Okay. Akoina different machines we can give here also, but I just fill up here as geyser and a geyser in thambewani agatabida electric kettle hapazu yai. Okay, in some pot na cold water hapaga gas ta LPG gas ta pai thangalaga hot water olalazu yai nako. Ado sisna machine do kari machine no habdagi damakta pai geyser habani. Now when we give fruits as an input, we get juice. Now we all know that juicer. We have already done in the previous class also. When we give fruits as an input, any fruits, it gives as the output gives as juice, a juicer. Now the fourth one is dirty clothes, and it gives us clean clothes. So we have already done this also. P amol pahapsalaga P asubo in tholan ge kidoni pena washing machine da isura going thola ni clean oina. Then data and instructions. If you give data and instructions pisalaga, it gives the information to when output it is done in computer machine. So we write here as computer. Now after this, now let's see the exercise number B here. Match the input, process and output as shown. This is the input, this is the process, this is the output. Now 2 plus 6, what is done here? We are adding these numbers 3 and not 2, sorry, it's 3 and 6. Now we are adding this number 3 and 6. Okay, so the process doing here is addition. Now when we add 3 to 6, it gives the output as 9. So we match here as to the number 9 here. Then 2 into 3. Now what is done here? Now 2 is multiplied by 3. That is, the process doing here is multiplication. So 2 into 3 is multiplying. So when we multiply 2 by 3, we get the number 6. So we match to number 6 here. And the last one, 8 minus 0. Now what is done here? We are subtracting 0 from the number 8. 8 minus 0. So what is done here? The process here doing is subtraction. So you match these two, subtracting 8 minus 0. So what is the result of 8 minus 0? And the result of 8 minus 0 is 8. So you match the number 8 here. Okay, this is how we use input process output system. Now let's see some more exercises. Now some fill in the blanks in given here and some question answers. Just we are doing the exercises. I have already filled up the exercises also. I exercising je loina mak mele sa akoi revision oina, just as a revision we are doing the exercises. Some revision ID akoi na to ba chapter number 2 do khangbra khangdabra yengna bagi damukta sige exercise je to bune. Okay, now number C, da fill in the blanks taking help. Fill in the blanks taking help from the clue box. Now some clue is given here. Some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clues. Some words, 5 words are given here in clue box. Now from this clue box, you have to fill up these questions. This fill in the blanks from number 1 to number 5. The clue box da word mga kakpire. Sige fill the blanks mga si word mga chana chana bagi sila lu. Okay. Now all machines need dash from us to work. Machine khudi ma akoi dagi kari darka oi. Thabak tawnabai damakta input ama darka oi. Port ama pisanabai damakta nadra. So all machines need input from us to work. Now here from number 2, all machines follow the dash cycle. Kay cycle follow to we all the machines kudima input process output, that is the IPO cycle. Then number 3, the CPU is like the dash of a brain. CPU is koina computer ki kari ne haega khangnai brain haega. So it is like the brain of the computer, just like a human brain. Okay, CPU works like the human brain of a computer. Now IPO stands for input. I is for input, O is for output, and the dash given is for P, that is process, input process output. These we have been doing since the starting of the chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 horopadagi tawragala ini say input process output say. Now number 5, a keyboard and a dash are used to give input to the computer. A keyboard and a dash haibadi input device ani, a keyboard and a dash are used to give input to the computer. We can give any other input devices here, but we have to choose from the clue box given here. So it is given as mouse, so we better fill up these as mouse. A keyboard and a mouse are used to give input to the computer. When you see any input device are used to give input to the computer, any input device any although we fill the blanks in number 1 a keyboard is already given here, and we can fill any other input device here, but what the question is saying is fill in the blanks taking help from the clue box. See clue box the already is mail have in a clue box the input device mouse in a pyramid aduna akoina mouse in a happy bane. A keyboard and a mouse are used to give input to the computer. I hope till here you have understood clearly. See bukta jana khanga maning khala, this is just a exercises. Okay, already done the chapter. Okay, this is just the revision of the exercise. The revision of the exercise. We are sharpening our mind. We are using our brain. We brain is an input process output. CPU is the brain of the computer. We human being has also brain to think. Aduna akonya brain season naga hana tawkiba chapter dugi revision to remind to mayam. Okay. Now answer the following question. Which part of the computer works on the input? Monitor, CPU or keyboard? Monitor ra, CPU ra, keyboard la. When input when thapak to is a keyboard. CPU the processing device, the monitor is the output device. So the answer is keyboard here. Now, is the monitor used to give input or to get output? Monitor is the input phangnabra natraga koina output phangnabra koina result to output to phangnabni, so you write as output. Now, in a computer's IPO cycle, what is the processed data called? Processed data dubu already processed thol aba answer result oina thol aba data dubu koina kari hai khangnai output. We write here output. Now here completes our chapter number 2. We have done the revision exercises also. So this is the end of chapter number 2. Here completes our chapter number 2. So before continuing to chapter number 3, now let's see some parts of the computer and what are the functions of the parts of the computer. Computer ki parts kara yengasi. I told you there are 4 main functions of the computer: keyboard, mouse, CPU, and monitor. So let's see some parts of the computer and their functions before continuing to chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, input device and output device. So some parts of the computer do sigi IPO cycle sida computer ki maramdanina, and working on the computer, so we have already done. So let's see some parts of the computer and the main parts of the computer and their functions. Okay, the next topic we are going to learn is parts of the computer. Now let's see here. Now let's see here my parts. My parts means the parts of the computer. Now friends, you all make use of different body parts to do various activities. Body the human body the paliba different parts do different activities. When your teacher gives you sum to solve, you hear it with your ears, your eyes read it from the board, your brain helps you to solve it, and then you answer from your mouth, or you use your hands to write the answer in your notebooks. Now this is what we do daily in our school. Now when your teacher gives you a sum to solve, any problem maths problem solve you hear it with your ears. Mitna board tagi parani piriba sarna piriba problem do board tagi mitna yengani aduga nakonga tarani mitna yengani, and then what you do, your brain helps you to solve it. Brain da problem do solve to. Okay, then you answer from your mouth. Either you answer from your mouth, suppose your sir write a sum, that is 3 plus 5 is equal to. Okay, when your teacher writes on the board 3 plus 5 is equal to and asks you what is the answer, first of all what you do, you hear what your teacher says with your ears, then you see what is written on the board with your eyes. Nang kongduna tarani sarna hairibadu, teacher na hairibadu, ozana hairibadu, then nituna board ibadu kari mayek no kai problem to do basi yengani addition ni 3 plus 5 means addition plus to ni, then your brain solve it in your brain. The problem is solved in your brain. Nang brain na kalani 3 plus 5, that is 8. Answer 8 ni kangani. Then you answer from your either from your mouth and chinduna. So the answer is 8 and a higela, or you use your hand to write the answer in your notebook. Natragana 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 na, and pencil na you note it down in your notebooks. And notebooks is a learnable. Okay, so all the parts of our body parts are used to solve a problem. And likewise, similarly, computer also make use of different parts to do various jobs. Computer ju magi different parts khudimaki mathau tongan leba. Khoi ju nakong duna mai tabagi mathau tawrani, mit duna yengbagi mathau tawrani, brain duna hotpagi mathau tawrani, then chinna ngangbagi or khutna ibagi mathau tawga maina computer ki different parts khudimaksu magi thabak tongan leba. Now, what are the main parts of the computer? There are many parts of the computer, okay, but there are only 4 main parts of the computer. Yamna khwaidagi darkar oiba computer ma da changdaba yadaba part mari khak lei, kari no, a keyboard, a monitor, a CPU, and a mouse. Okay, there are other parts also other than this, but the there are only four main parts ahung mari khak de main parts kai kai no keyboard ne monitor ne CPU ne mouse ne. Now it is shown in the figure here. This is a monitor. It gives the output. This is a speaker. It gives us a sound to hear. This is a keyboard to give input. This is also this is the mouse. This is also used to give input to the computer. This is also the speaker. Now this is the CPU to process here. Everything will be processed here. Now what we give input to the computer using the keyboard and the mouse is processed in the CPU. Then the output is given to the where output is given in the monitor tholakal monitor le mu phangni ni mo koina nge ko main part se kari kane ba keyboard ne monitor ne CPU ne mouse ne. Don't forget this. Now CPU is known as a brain of the computer. This also you don't forget. CPU se computer ki brain hai khangnai aduga dia four main parts of the computer kari kai no keyboard monitor CPU and mouse mari sina four main parts hai khangnai. Okay. Now I hope till here you understood. Si boktan noi demo gyan tar manen khale different parts of the body ma'am lay ba magi mathok ma'am lay with mina computer ki different parts in group magi mathok ton malay. Now let's see what are the functions of these each of these main parts of the computer. Now let's see here. What does each part help? Kari kari tawbada mateng pangge have the koi ki nakongna tawagi mateng pangi minna ubagi mateng pangi khutna paiba. Okay, ibagi mateng tawidana adumaina or brain na koina khanba thabak taw mateng pi koida adumaina computer na kari kari mateng pi je koi yengasi. Now let's begin with the keyboard. Now the keyboard. Now function keys. Now F1, F2, F3 these are called function keys given at the top of the keyboard. Then numeric keys 1, 2, 3, 4. Athangi next row and the next row is the alphabet keys. Then this is the long key here is known as the space bar. It is also known as the longest key on the keyboard. Longest key हैगा कई करम्ब key bu khangने कोई keyboard की space bar है. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. The number yaw sing sidena sisna kari kore enter key sina enter key ni thang line na lakna ba na cursor control key left right up down cursor do control tauna bani sina 1 2 3 4 keys na numeric keys. Now these are the different keys on a keyboard. There are other some symbols given in the keyboard also like plus, minus, asterisk, bracket, greater than, less than, comma, semicolon, colon, question mark, forward slash, backward slash, mayam ama lay ko. These are mayam ama key atopa mayam ama yauri, but these na some of the keys given here. I have shown here function keys, numeric keys, alphabet keys, space bar, enter key, cursor control key, and numeric keys. Now any person who uses a computer is called a user. Now let's see, one who uses the computer is a user. Computer season user. The user gives work to the computer. Computer pai midina computer thabak tawna thabak to mana piduni with the help of keyboard or either it may be with the help of mouse also. Keyboard wagira, mouse wagira with any input device. Input device ama hekana pibare. Now buttons on the keyboard are known as the keys. Keyboard yariba button singje yariba keys singje situ koina keys haga khane button singje. Okay, the keyboard has 104 or more keys. Now in some keyboard it has only 104 and in some other keyboard, in multimedia keyboard, it has more than 104 keys. Depending upon the keyboard which you have, okay, the number of keys on the keyboard will be different. Keyboard yoriba keys in the 104 keys yonai adubu stegi henba multimedia keyboard and other some different types of keyboards has more than 104 keys. So it depends upon which keyboard you are having at home and yum the labadu karamba keyboard no have matungina 104 keys tagi and henbazi yaya. Now it is connected to the CPU. Now keyboard is connected to the CPU. Now I'll tell you one thing, not only the keyboard. Now we are now here we are doing about keyboard, so it is saying like it is connected to the keyboard, but not only the keyboard is connected to the CPU, all other parts of the computer must be connected to the CPU. Every part of the computer should be connected to the CPU. Either it is a mouse, it is a monitor, it is a keyboard, it is a printer, it is a speaker. Everything, every part of the computer should be connected to the CPU. CPU the loinama connect to the bad because CPU is known as the brain of the company. Everything will be processed in this CPU, so it should be in touch with this CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. Having a CPU is a loinama CPU the connect to the bad. Every part of the computer should be connected to the CPU. That you must keep in your mind. When every part of the computer CPU connect to we have because CPU is known as a brain of the computer. Now, Mr. CPU get ready to do work. Sida mana kaya do information to pila kanda CPU dun kapag to dun. Now the processor is saying like, I am ready, sir. Ma tabak to rogi hari user na hari ni Mr. CPU get ready to do work ni users na hari ni complete keyboard ta information tabak pira age nang ready le na mana ready le re. Now the other part of the computer, the main part of the computer like the mouse, the CPU, that is CPU, the full form of this CPU is Central Processing Unit, and the monitor will do in the next video session class. Now for today, let's end our class here. Now before that, now let's see what we have done today in this topic, the parts of the computer. Now in these my parts, that is the parts of the computer, like our human body parts like ears, eyes, brain, mouth and hands. The computer has also different parts to do different functions. There are four main parts of the computer. There is a keyboard, monitor, CPU and mouse. Nakong, meat, brain, chin, amazon, khud, khong, part, different functions computer function main parts parts computer the main parts keyboard monitor CPU mouse na main parts ni next keyboard keyboard button button key computer key now normally 104 keys some other keyboards more than keys like multimedia keyboard and any other different keyboard more than 104 key now see the first rows function keys now second these are called in number keys. Then the third row, third, fourth, fifth these are called alphabet keys. It is ABC. Then longest key on the keyboard is longest key space bar. Now this is known as the enter key. We have here enter key. Now one enter key is also here. Now this is the cursor control key. We move the cursor. We control the cursor from here using these arrows left, right, up, down, and here are some numeric keys also. Okay, numeric keys are also given here, and we use the numeric keys here also. Keyboard check computer keyboard or either the mouse or mouse or any other input computer the keyboard then it is connected to the CPU not only the keyboard, every part of the computer is connected to the CPU. Okay, now let's stop here for today. Okay students, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.